ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakam bnia one shaka Frank Motors light ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Kajing jilay shiba palat kajing dilat lan yu drog hakeleng ki binta jong ka jilla khamtam hanong ba Shillong kalapin long ka Shillong All Faiths Forum kabalong ka kinhon jong ginong yalam nyam ban mi shakmat banya theriatai kumnu banya khon persha ikani ka jingpang kabla su thet hakiba bon ki khon samla jong ka ni ka jilla hagani ka jingalang kabalong asan ker mauro Shillong layadon long president jong ka forum u bishop ka Church of North India Most Reverend Dr. Pioli Lingdo u secretary u Reverend Father Richard M. Majau u director jong ka san ker u Dr. Sandy Sim ki dekhot jong ka forum u Reverend Edwin H. Karkongo na kabalang Presbyterian u Reverend Nangroy Suting na kabalang Unitarian u ba Umar Lin Kindia u beri dekhot jong ka Sendrat bat kiwe Arngot kibla light na ka jing te ha usai khum jong ka jing imkirni ha drug kila ai jing pla pat ba.
I'm a recovering drug addict. By the grace of God, I'm now clean for 1,529 days. That is 4 years, 2 months. And this is my story. I am 23 years old. I was born and raised in Shillong. At the age of 15, I was smoking ganja, done by tobacco daily, multiple times a day. Smoking ganja helped me forget who I was. Since that first hit, I love it. That's exactly what I wanted at that point in my life. And soon found out that everyone around me was drinking alcohol, so I thought I would try it. The truth is, I didn't like drinking, but it was socially acceptable, so I drank as much as I could. At the age of 17, I began to wonder. I began to realize I was not good at school or sports. So what am I going to do with my life? I was hanging around with the wrong people and started to use heroin for the first time. One of my mistakes was bringing this substance to class to share it with my classmates who has never taken drugs. And it was my fault that I dragged him into it, but I'm grateful he got out of drugs before me. From what I remember, it was to be cool to fit in with a certain crowd. As far as I could remember, I didn't fit in with anyone and wanted to be part of something. I felt worthless from a young age, and that developed into an even lower self-esteem as a teenager. And to be normal, I had to continuously using heroin, ganja, and every day. Sometimes I would borrow money from people, thousands of rupees, and started manipulating people, family and friends, so I could get the money. Drugs had made my life worse. Sometimes I would find myself awake sleeping on roads, footpaths, forests, and my relationships with my family has gotten worse. I never spoke to them whenever I came home. And the only people I talked to was my friends who were in the same group as me. I had failed almost all my classes and never attended classes. This made me realize that my life would go nowhere. It made me stressed, and I have no one to talk about my problems. I'm scared, so my only solution was to continue using drugs. And it took me no time to realize that I cannot live without drugs. I had to live with it. It has affected my education, my relationships with my family, and people that do care about me. Yes, it has affected me and my family financially, emotionally, physically, and mentally. There was a time I stopped taking drugs by my own. I substitute using other substances. It took me only a few weeks. I relapsed and turned back to drugs. I realized I cannot do it on my own. And in a few years past, my parents found out about my drug use. They immediately took me to rehabilitation that is here in Sankya. And they were so kind, they didn't judge me or hated me. At first, I was a bit mad about why they brought me to this place. Because of my suffering, I was kind of having mixed emotions. I don't know what to do. I tried everything I could to forget the pain I was in. 1 month passed and my withdrawals had really reduced, and I didn't use any drugs ever since, up to this day. And haven't used any kinds of drugs, and my relationship with my family has grew stronger and have begun to gain strength, mentally stable and mentally stable. But in the process of recovering, I've experienced many things like hallucinations and thoughts, and or seeing things that aren't there, and hearing voices telling me things to hurt myself and my family, things that aren't there. I would wake up in the middle of the night only to wake up in the morning with cuts on my hands, wrists, and blood everywhere. And I started having depression and many negative thoughts. I'm always afraid to face people when talking most of the time. I'm always at home, mostly spending time alone, because I always have the feeling people are always watching me and judging me. And slowly I got over it by the help of the doctors and counselors. And my message to you all, that it's never too late to find help. Don't give up on yourself. Drugs is the evilest thing on this planet. It has killed many people every year, if not treated. If not treated.
Yeah. Hey, really. Drugs di utah upenja tawai nene kadawai ke bandarus wakamet ke petkelai ke jinglong jokomet te pinio I barwa kita ke drug store barbon kala se hangnon wi jaka kin kami ke drug store te andre abangi kendu I bri bedri drugs ni apet yam andre ngi rung pada ha drug store ban thir I jinan kam ba namataka met ke har jing kum batai ke doktor te hakan dinge nanti ke jonga ma banga sedang jonga kra slam nado nar kak nes pak nai pun ter kalau orang ma arpos nem tam ing adan ha kan ke jing di pat ka drok ka bang penan kam ka de ka kihan te kala ta bun ya ka jing long jing em jonga la da ka de ha ka shimet la ni ka jing de ha ying ha sem jing de ha snong ha thau ka jing de ba bun liang ba kham ta ma ka jing de ba da u jong kun ran ba da thau la bo la penlong te anda kala poi ka por nga bangan dai pansa ha ka rehab te yang ala si utrai ula jubab hi utrai kunda do boleh ula jubab ya ke jing duai jung ki bahayeng ba sam ki jonga te ula pen I ka da jing shai ban wan yalam sa ka rehab center nang ta ngasayo ki jing hikai re ha ka por ga sen ka banang kong ngam sim lara ban pediang ya kita ki baro nang tanga kulon biang nang sawan biang hau snem bobot aja pra bat nga tri kajing minat kadi bandan na perkhat e kata da layo ki jing kai babin na bon ki liang ada kadi na diang ke doktor dan ada liang jong ki counselor na liang jong ki psychiatrist na jong ki bon ki clinical psychologist ru na yo pada ka jing yarap nang ta ban ala pada ban jam saprang ha ka jing jonga ngam la ban ong bang la ban I ka ni ka drop si ha du ban dayap re kamram ka jonga hi ka long bangan ha bia kun hisngi ha ka jing mi mt jonga nama ki ba minden la dep kabala shine nun tip de yu menta ka te ka present bang pareng ba long ka ji ai so ba mata asni te ni na banya ya ta kan ti hoi la na bor ki sha padram ha ki poi ba le ringam su her ma menta la yo ai ka ji em ka ba pengan ka ba ka ji rap jong ka jaka sumar jong ba kam ju ru na ka ji rap na kun rat ba le jrong ka khu jong sa ki nong pe ini program ba ambet ban sedang bet man kata ya kata ka drugs ada di drugs ne ka kiat ne ini ginu na ma ba ko mala ba tai na sedang drugs itu tahu jing di dan ka jing di ki ba ban ka lai ka jing long comment te lada ka dada empat sedang wat na sedang na ma ngala persang na banta jong pi baro
Kasaf lembai sekretari jengi iba latresi tom dekat I Dr. Sandi ila laban penlong ini ke awareness program haga bagi dekat ki member good number kelewan ki penhon prepare but katno kala long jing kasni ke bab ai jing shai kasni ke ba ai jing mantai ya ni baro ke baban ingin so to kham jana issue ya ai gini ke problem ki issue ke bang the problem of addiction but kumno nang ne smat kum ki nong yalam ada ke jong jing ila ban ya smat ban le ladi long ibarat kan no re iban long jing kerku ya ke emlam salang ya ki khon ki khti ki jing shin rang kan thai ki ba ki ba la ha ki addiction ke ba kum ki ne te aingo ya play but kerpang ya ga sun care institute ba nilala ban pendep ya ke jing tumu jongi hagani kasngi
kejuan juga sahab kejing sedang juga sahab kade halo jong kini kejing pang covid bat kat ke sahab kladan ye ibenta ibarit bah henring su benong ngila ben le ai na ke benta ki imlang salang ngitip kini ki substance abuse ki kta ingi kumbai la betai doktor imane ndi dan drug addiction ande kidan ki addiction ro ki bangidan hak kejing kejengi kini kita kejing le ke bangi kedua kejing jengi ni su benong kum ki fail leaders ni kwa ban ra ye kadi ko khobor halaki jong ki constituents halaki jong ki jaka rengkat bagi jirap lam jong kibri kumi Dr. Sandi hakenu kong bangidong bakani kedeka kejing le ke bakrau ngim dewen penrem ya kibri ki bahab hakini ki jing kenduk kejeki hanai hakenu kong ban senran ya ki jing kisam ban senran ya kini ki belama ya kini kejinge ban senran ru ya ki imlang salang hai ru kom ibrit bah namar tani kedeka kam ke balong long kum no kolong ke ba bah hamda babin kena sepang drug addiction kadang sipun ki eke bat ngisuk ngimla ban kata kita ki bentan namar ngimdan ya ke bor belek kemta Henry ye bangila ban le ban ra ikini chala ke syaki imlang salang chala ke jong ki para bengai ban hak do kam ngidon kam ken ban job ya gede ho at gede ke jele ngidon kam ke bor ke jong blai Henry hai nuri kam bangila ban no senyang itai di jang no nakeleng jungi kom kesaf ban aye gani kubar syaki imlang salang hangni po sosialong hamegalia ban hakleng ki ba yesno ya gani kubar ke jungi nakeleng jungi ni sno ni ngidon kam ya ka jirap jong ki expert lesi ban kren ye ki kena samla ani haki school ke jungi mangidon ru igi school ngidon ru ye ki nong kum ye ki jing seng ki per ngidon ye ki seng yo per ngidon ye ki jing kudu lang yo per ki convention berki kini ki youth gathering ber kum ter ke bangidon masu banong lesi ngidon kami ki expert haka bakin wan kren ban pen sekolah haki beri ke jungi bangidon kam ken menyes nok ti rengkat lang hakaban yerap ban job ya gini kecingnya bat kumang kilai keren maki nang ni ki expert ki keren ni kyong nak bentak sengkir ni ke ke bamaki ki angnu ke di berbor ya ki brio ki di berong ki ni mamlu ki patient ki di ba ke de center of work nak bentak juki le ni ke di ki ba kongsantam tenak kata kata musuh benang nak bentak jungiru ka ba kam kongsan ke de ya ki brio ki belang hakum kini hakudu kam ngin sendrani ki mde bengin penramiki andai kumno bengin sendran lamiki kumno ngin aiman sem lamiki kenang baki laban job kum ngin imne baki diki brio ki job nak daw job kaji sendran job kene ke institute kaji sendran job doktor ki nata ki nang sumarang ni kedi kaji sendran job ke ye gesam ke baki job masuk bedang lada ki imlang salang ada ki balang jungi ki snok tin kat masuk bedang ngin salah ban job antanya selaban hai kejing yang kebetul mai ya kita belahap aku kini kejing hakini kejing ya kedai kini ka kejing bon jeng ki beri ke belahap hakini ka drug addiction kini kala kata ingi ngiso nginang try mengi itang kendian po ngi aku kubor na ko por andai dengi pek mata ya ki statistics by Dr. Sandi present mene ngi bon ma ki beri ke belahap bani megalia ki bon ba ki bongop hakini kejing bakla kena kata kini kala ketik jembut yengi bat kumjuru ngin saya persangi banong ru ya ke sarkar nang taru ya kiwi beran ta hakunu kromban le ak tu krom hakabangin ya trelengkat ban wara ya kejing job nak kam ta kini ka ya kam ta kini kejing le ke balakta ya ki imlang salang jungi ke kamram jungi kum ki nong yalam balang tekan dehi ban bu ya ka jingduai kadi ke ba ngingit skap kajing doi kadi ke bor ke baklai kajing doi kadi ke we nang ta banra halaki jong ki balang ke jongi halaki jong ki niam ki jongi banra nang ta banra i kadi ku bor unong ngiran kam menye trelang hakabala ban wara ke nya ke jinjab ya ke ni ke jing de ke bawan haki kun ki juni haki amlang salang juni
Nadu arjar kharsan ki kinong penyat jong ka UN jong ka WHO gila de ong ba katma gala fil kam dei shu katma ngidon kam bersu thu bagat ni kajing di kade kajing pang kajing shisha kade kamram ko mo ngam tan ka jong ka health department kam dei jong social welfare kam dei jong pudet bagat punyale ai kane kade mangi ki doktor mungkin sumar. Ngomong mana tu kawai konstitusi kawai rehab center. Ki MLA jungi kini bersuatu ya kata. Kawai kawai konstitusi don kam rehab center. Mendai kawai district. Ginong kam kata. Ginong kam bukan simti ke simkia ke health department. Ya kene ke jingpang kene ke pandemic kemudian keleng sodong. सरकार mde bakno mde bayenyo yanu nuru ndre galong program da sistem kamnum trikam kadon ketu kena samuk menta kabaya ketu tegaya baro sistem tu di bapa ba jong सरकार kebale ki penong awareness programs haki school haki communities bro koleng ka state mon ketu herap